Abracadabra. Oh, oh, hey guys. Wait, is it Saturday? That means it's time for another hike. Let's get it. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Marcus Hikes. I'm here today again with Ashley, as always. And yeah, today we have come to another place in Surrey Hills. It's actually only about 30 minutes away from Newlands Corner. So we're going to take a few steps in and then I'll give you a bit of a better description of what's going on. So today we are at, and I just will make sure I want to get this right. So we're at Leith Hill, as you can see. And today we will be doing the waterfall circular. So hopefully we will see a waterfall today. The weather is actually not too bad again, considering January. We've been really lucky so far. You just see, well, you can't quite see it over there, but the sun is actually out. So we're going to yeah, we're going to see what cool places we can see on the way. Apparently we have Leith Hill Tower, Leith Hill Place. There's a bunkhouse here. It's quite a lot of wildflowers, and also we should be going past the waterfall, hopefully. So, I mean, what else is there to do except to get going? So let's go and see what we can find. So just setting out. Initially the car park's quite slippery. I don't know if it's like a mixture of sand and who knows what. It's a little bit slippery. I think the weather has been a little bit damp recently, so yeah, probably might encounter a few little muddy puddles, but that's nothing that we haven't encountered before. But I've got to admit, first impressions and from everything I've seen so far, it looks like it's going to be a very interesting walk. So get a look at this.
Inclines started already.
Yep, inclines instantly, just so you're aware of what type of hike this is going to be. However, it is worth it when you start getting into beautiful forests. And I definitely won't be complaining through the rest of this. Just gotta look at this crazy place. Oh, very sludgy. Try and get up around the side of this. Lots of hill to go, and let's see you at the top. So, we're barely even a few minutes in, and already absolutely shattered. Word of advice: don't do shots the night before a hike. It greatly affects your stamina, especially when you're doing like a 200, 400 meter incline immediately first thing when you start hiking. However, we're heading towards Leith Tower, and as you can imagine, the tower's going to be on top of the hill. So we're going to keep working our way up, and we will get there shortly. Let's have a quick look what we can see. So still in the forest right now, but yeah, hopefully we will be there soon and I can take my first rest, because I deserve it. So still going up these damn inclines. Oh, honestly, like it looks really flat here, but it is not. We've been going up for ages. I'm tired. It's only like 15-20 minutes in, but we are now getting close to the tower. Let's have a look. So it seems a little bit busy and also open to the public. I'm not sure if maybe they've made a cap out of it. However, it looks really cool. And yeah, we'll get a bit closer and take some more footage when we get there. So yeah, it turns out it was a little cafe. I'm just going to get a pasty from there, and then we're going to carry on with the walk. But it's a cool idea. It definitely helps you stop. So if you're here, feel free to sit down and take a little rest. But yeah, it's going to be quite a long old journey, so I figured it's probably best to get some food. Might help with this hangover that I've got, or it might go against me, so we'll find out as we go. So, views from the top of the hill, absolutely 10 out of 10. It's so nice, and as always, you know, the camera does not do it justice as to the human eye. But this is definitely a sight that you should experience if you're out on a hike. Absolutely beautiful. So say the pasty that I had, it was worth the money. It was nice. It was definitely full of steak, so yeah, it's appreciated. But yeah, take a look at them views. Can't go wrong with that. So yeah, I'm guessing it's probably time to move on now, and let's continue to get it. We're heading down this way, so yeah, let's see what else we find. So we come across this tree. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like a giant pineapple. But yeah, I just thought I'd document that. What a cool tree. No, only joking. I'm not stupid. But that's amazing. I've never seen that. If you know what tree that is, pop that below in the comments. That'll be interesting to find out. But yeah, as we continuing on, I mean, can't really go wrong with a bit of this, can you? And as I always say, how could you not want to be out in this? Huh? Look at that. Views for days. It's fresh, peaceful. Can only mean it's time to move on to our next spot. I'm actually looking forward to hopefully seeing this waterfall as well. But we've got a massive journey to continue on with, so I will try to be sparing. But I'll definitely keep you updated if I see anything else cool. Going through all this rough terrain. Just kind of making a path through. I'm not sure if this is an actual path, but it seems to be like an animal trail. And we will continue following this till we get to the actual path. Like, these hikes aren't all amazing views and singing and dancing. It's usually like a solid 6 or 7 miles of just absolute work. But definitely feels great. And yeah, we're coming such a long way. So Ashley's just saying we need to get over there, so we're gonna have to try and cut through, but I think we can go this way, so let's give it a shot. No, I think this way would be fine. Yeah, we go this way. There seems to be some flat lines that kind of veer over where that log is, and then we should be able to cut across. I might even be able to just cut through here. Cutting through the shrubbery. Nearly dribbled over there. So I hope everyone's been okay. Hope your mental health is high and you've been enjoying yourselves. It's actually been really it's actually been quite difficult so far, but it's really nice, and it's definitely reminding me that my life isn't all about just computer screens and the stress of the daily grind. It's really, really nice to get out. Do you want to go just...
I think there is actually an actual path over
Yeah,
there.
yeah. We'll just squeeze through these trees. So let's have a look here. Clamber through these branches. Okay, nearly through. It's fun making your own path sometimes. Sometimes it's very tiring. So, you're going bright? Okay, yeah, so now we're back on track. Let's go see what else we can find. I absolutely love being in the forest. And you should too. We will be arranging to possibly have some more people on the hike going forward. So if you're interested, let us know. I know some of you have already, and we'll be in touch. Obviously, we'll have to let everybody know like the difficulties and stuff, because I don't want to take anyone who's going to have a bad time, because I might not enjoy the length or the duration or the difficulties of some of these hikes. But if you are interested, drop us a message. You know where to find me, or just pop it in the comments below. And yeah, we'll take a little look, and we'll review the situation. But yeah, currently it's absolutely beautiful. There's nowhere else that I'd rather be than in the woods with you guys. So we come across this, well, can it only be described as medieval hot tub. They used to have these medieval hot tubs out in the forest, and you would come here with your forest nymphs. Obviously, you'd all just chill out, you know, a couple of love potions, and you'd be away. So, if you want to experience this, then of course you might need to clean it out, fill it up a little bit, do a little spell to get some forest nymphs down, a couple of love potions, you'll be laughing. But yeah. Medieval jacuzzi. Who would even have guessed? So, why it's nice and peaceful, and we're just doing a little bit of a road walk just till we get back to the footpath. Hope everyone's been enjoying the videos. We really appreciate all the likes and views and subscribers that have subscribed. It's nice to know you guys are enjoying it, and obviously everyone that I see has been saying how much they've been enjoying the videos as well. It would be great, however, if you wouldn't mind just leaving some comments down below. just really helps push these videos out to more people, and also lets us engage with you a little bit more. So be sure to let us know what you think down below. We're just coming down this public bridleway now, so I'm sure we're coming closer to our next monumental destination. But still no sign of this waterfall yet, so I'm still hoping that we find that at some point. But yeah, it's about to go past some other giant lucky person's house. So yeah, well, we will see you very soon. But yeah, please like and subscribe, and leave some comments down below what you thought about it. If there's anything you liked, any questions or anything, we're always happy to answer. We might be able to do some live streams as well of some of these hikes, but just at the moment, while we're just getting started, we're just going to keep doing the videos for now to answer the questions. Also, some other questions I've had: what hiking boots do I use? So I've got some Regatta brand hiking boots. I don't know the brand, to be fair. They were actually a gift to me from Vanessa. Shout out to Vanessa with the lovely Floki and Pixie as well. All my love to you guys. So yeah, just really enjoying it. There's just so much out here. I just can't get enough of it. It's like this one is so peaceful, and there's just so much woodland. It's just so nice to be in. So yeah, we move. So just in case we don't find the waterfall on this journey, maybe this might be the only one that we find on the way, but I'd like to think that we will find the proper one eventually, but just in case, that might be the only one we get. However, I'm going through this little village state where people have post boxes attached to their house. It's lovely. One day I'll have my own post box and a clock on the side of my house. We've decided that's the dream right now. But you know, it's absolutely lovely. Just walking up this little road. So continuing on, weather's been holding out nice. My hangover is clearing up, so that's also handy. Shout outs to the Tower Pasty doing its job. But yeah, it's just really lovely right now. Having a real peaceful, relaxing time. I'm having some good jokes. So yeah, we're I don't think we're too far away from the next location now, so I will see you in a moment. So we've made it to Mill Pond. It's about halfway. It is absolutely lovely and calm. Oh, sorry, I'm not even looking at it. Yeah, it's really calm. It's really nice. Literally nothing on it. It looks beautiful. I think we're going to stop here, have a little drink, take a few pictures, and then we're going to carry on. Obviously, you can't bathe in the pond, so but yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, let's get some nice shots of that now. So just come along this lovely little store here, selling some marmalades. Got a nice Seville orange and also a whiskey Seville orange. So I've just purchased one. So this is your little house. Thank you very much. I hope that you enjoy, and I will most certainly enjoy my marmalade. So how exciting. Pond Cottage, thank you very much. So yes, if you're going past, keep your eyes peeled because we've seen quite a few people selling eggs and all sorts of stuff. So this is really cool. It's nice to get these little souvenirs on the way, and I most certainly look forward to trying out this marmalade. I think little things like this are so cool. I'm not cool enough to walk right through it, but it's definitely been interesting so far, and still really enjoying everything. So we're still at it. We're quite over halfway now. Still haven't found this waterfall. Maybe we missed it, but we'll keep going. But this whole walk has just basically been forest, and it's absolutely lovely. Apart from this plane which is flying overhead right now. But yeah, just we're still going. I just wanted to show you some of this. It's absolutely bloody beautiful. Give you a bit of forward cam. Let's just record this little descent, hopefully without falling over. So it's hard to tell from the camera, but it's actually really steep. Some people are crazy.
Yeah.
Flat ground, here we go. I can hear some running water. Wee, over the sty. It's a wobbly sty. No, it doesn't look like it's the waterfall we're after. However, there is beautiful, maybe it's a river over there. Well, no, I see a waterfall. It's a little in the distance. Let's just get to this clearing, and then if we let's just zoom right in. You can just about see one over there. So if we're lucky, maybe we'll be getting a little bit closer. But yeah, we just come down from this really steep hill, and yeah, let's keep following around the track back towards the car. So managed to make it to the waterfall. You can see it behind me. It's just a little bit of a trickle, however, but it is actually really lovely, and I'm really glad we made it. So let's have a little look at this. absolute joy. Yeah, so we're just going to rest for a couple of minutes and carry on. But yeah, really chuffed that we found this one. Yeah, so the camera never does these things justice, but this is absolutely beautiful when you're looking at it. So I definitely recommend you stop by when you come, and yeah, just take it all in. As you can hear, it's super relaxing too. So I'm just going to get some pictures for you guys, and then we're going to carry on. So yeah, I've been going for quite a while. Really really enjoying this so far. However, it's been quite a long one. However, we've only got like a couple of kilometers to go, and I am aggressively running out of battery. The charger is a little bit slow when it's charging both of us. So I'll try and get in as much as I can. However, slipping. Just wanted to show off this little area. Definitely something out of an RPG. Got the little inlet there coming down from these streams, and there's been streams as we've been going through. It's been fantastic. You know how much I love running water and bodies of water, so some gross ew. So I'm really enjoying it. So just gonna get another little bit of some footage, and then hopefully we will be pretty close to the car. So I'll let you guys enjoy this, and we'll catch you soon. Look at this beautiful estate. What a privilege it would be to live there and have your own little island shed there. Absolutely beautiful. You know, some people are so lucky. Ooh. Very slippery, sinky. And now we proceed to go back uphill. This is absolutely awesome. This really is an awesome route. See you guys at the top. So, even though time-wise it's been quite some time since I recorded the last clip, we actually haven't travelled that far, but it's been an uphill challenge, shall I say. I'm actually quite sweaty now, so would definitely say this is a more advanced hike. You're going to need plenty of water, you're going to need snacks, You're going to need plenty of rest. And the most important thing is you definitely shouldn't have a hangover before you start, because I'll be sure a massive disadvantage. However, I feel much better now. I've walked it off, and I feel fantastic. So we're actually quite close to the end now. It's been amazing. I feel I've captured the best bits. So really looking forward to actually having a rest now. However, still have more work to do later, but it doesn't matter because I got to do this today and it feels fantastic. So I will probably, unless I see anything else, catch up with you guys when we get back to the car. I'll give you my full review, and yeah, but as always, in the meantime, let's just have a little look, because we are still in forest upon forest upon forest the whole way. I must admit, this whole journey has been forest, so it's just been super peaceful and calm. Lots of nice water spots. We managed to get marmalade, which I'm super excited to try. I probably should have got one of the whiskey marmalades as well, but I'm not a massive whiskey fan, so I actually want to just enjoy the marmalades as well. But yeah, hope you just enjoyed the last few clips, and yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon. It is never ending, it's lovely though. Less than half a kilometre to go, guys. And then a nice hour or so journey home. However, I'm not driving. Woo! So I just wanted to get some more footage of all this. We're so high up right now. Strong altitude. There seems to be quite a bit of shooting going on. So hoping that we don't catch a stray. I'm sure we're right. But yeah, just like through the trees and stuff, like the view is amazing. Obviously it's a little bit blurry through the phone camera, but yeah, it's just so nice. I'm sad that we're coming to the end, but I am also super tired. So the feeling after the hike is always the one I enjoy the most. The satisfaction that I've got out and done it against all the odds, against the hangover and potential death. I always like the ending bit, so yeah, still obviously out here in the forest. It's beautiful, and yeah, really enjoying myself. Okay, so at the end of the hike now. Oh, it's a real long one. There's so much uphill, But it's been absolutely fantastic and we've had such a great time. It truly is beautiful, even just in the car park. So I definitely recommend this. However, it is not for the faint of heart. Make sure you've got some stamina, some water, some snacks, and a nice mindset for this one, because you're going to need it. But yeah, it's time now to get out of these boots and make our way home. So until next week, it's a goodbye from me. It's a goodbye from Ashley. And we'll catch you soon. Safe travels, positive thinking, peace and love and blessings. Catch you all next week. Bye.